Eric Blackmon Music.
It's been 24 hours, I need more hours with you.
Hi, and welcome to my acoustic guitar tutorial for Girls Like You by Maroon 5. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. And first, we'll go over the chords that we'll need to play for it. The chords will be C, G, A minor, and F. And if you wanted to, you could play those chords throughout the entire song because they'll work throughout. We're going to need to learn a couple of riffs, and they're going to sound like this. While playing these riffs, we're going to have to use our pick in this way. I'm using a heavy pick, and I'm going to place my palm against the guitar and go across the strings like that. We're going to be using muted picking. So I've got my palm laying against the strings and I'm picking like that to get a muted tone. In order to control it, you're going to press lightly or press harder. It's up to you how much muting you want to get. Here's the notes that we'll play. For the entire song, we'll play two riffs. Riff 1 will be played for the verses. It'll go like this. Here it is again, slowly. You're going to have some ghost note sounds in there because not all the notes are being produced. We've got some of that going on. So here it is again. Now for the chorus, the notes are a little bit different. We're going to go to fret 3 on the A string, go to fret 5 on the D string, 3, 2, and then to fret 5 on the A string, and that's a D note. Then we'll go back to 5 on the D string, and proceed the way we did before. Start over. Here we go again. Actually, because all the parts are repeated, we'll be able to play what we covered throughout the entire song. That's Girls Like You, on acoustic guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.